Hi everyone, my name is Tommy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, I have something really interesting and different for you guys. Probably going to unsubscribe after this, but that's okay because we're doing really good and fresh. If you guys look, I believe I just hit like 700 subscribers or something, and I'm shook. Like, thank you guys so much for all the love and support and for being here since day one. Let's hit 1,000. That's the goal by my birthday, which is March 12th. If we can hit 1,000, I'd be very happy. So subscribe down below if you're new. Anyways, but first, a message from our sponsors.
According to the Surgeon General, women should not drink alcohol beverages during the risk of pregnancy because the birth effects of alcohol impairs.
Today, you will be relaxing with me. So good. First step, get yourself some wine. Hashtag CU1Love, sponsored, not sponsored, but still. Work there, love them so much. Little steel tumbler there, we're just gonna put some wine in there, which we already did, so that's what we're drinking. Anyways, I'll be using the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Cleansing Mask right here. It's super nice. This is what it looks like. You can pick this up at Nordstrom. This is where I get it, and I obviously need some help because I need assistance. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just put this on. It's been a pretty interesting new year so far, I do have to say. Between the government not working and my vacation, I went to the Bahamas. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you will see some pictures from Florida and the Bahamas, actually, like a combo. We did a short cruise, visited my godmother. It was a lot of fun. I had a blast, honestly. But throughout that time, I ate a lot of different foods that affected my skin. So here we are, fixing that. This mask is really good for like pulling all the toxins out of your skin. Oh my god, I got that in my... You saw nothing. Just got that in my brow and in my hair over. Ooh. I'm doing so good. This is good quality content right here. Good quality. Anyways, ate some stuff that disagreed with me, and I've been fighting pimples literally ever since. Also, as you can tell, my dark circles are pretty rough. This does not really help with that. This is more of like a cleanser than anything, and this is getting too close to my eye. We're gonna go ahead and just put this all the way down. Fuck it, I'm gonna go all the way. We're gonna go all the way over here down to our jawline and just bring this over. Now, as this starts to dry, it kind of feels like you're getting a facelift slash Botox slash like all the surgeries that I need in life. It's really cleansing, and it's just a good mask. It's one of my favorites, and it's shelf stable. So like, I do like Lush masks. If you guys don't know, Lush of course is like a huge provider of like natural handmade products, beauty products. Bath bombs are really well known for that, but they also make face masks that are really good and enriching to the skin. But yeah, I hope your guys' day is going like pretty good. Because mine is, so far. So yeah. Oh, at work today, something super fun happened. I thought of an app that I want to make. I want to make an app. I don't know how to make an app, but I want to make an app. So if you guys can tell me how in the comments, lol, if you could give me any advice that you have, if you know anyone who's made an app before, let me know, because I want to make one. Oh, you're kidding. Do not get on. Why am I still wearing my coat? I'm obviously very well prepared for this video. Oh my god, look at all my creasing. You can see my canyons. You guys, comment down below if I should name my canyons. And give me good names. I want good quality names. I have 4 very prominent creases in my forehead because I'm a stressful bitch, and I guess I just make too many facial expressions. So there's that. Even though I'm literally only 21, so... What the heck, Jesus? Anyways. Here we are. Mask is on. I'm going to check back with you in like 15 minutes after it's like dried on and stuff. But yeah, I'll be back. It says you can hear the ocean in this, but I think mine is defective. It's not working.
2,000 years later.
Oh, there it is. Just kidding. Okay, everyone, I am back, and as you guys can see, the mask has been on for about 10-15 minutes. It's already like breaking apart here on my favorite canyon lines. I'm competing with the Grand Canyon, actually. So far, I've won the last several million years in a row, so hopefully I can continue. Anyways, it's almost ready to come off. As you guys can see, as it dries, it kind of like tightens and pulls everything. And then of course it does break apart where there is like pressure, essentially, from talking or drinking or whatever else it is that you do with your face. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm gonna go take this off, and then we're gonna do a hydration mask after, followed up with some lotion to repair this hot mess. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, everyone, next we're gonna be using this cucumber peel off mask by Freeman. Honestly, this is like super fun for me because it definitely like moisturizes and renews the skin, and it peels off, so it's a lot easier to take off than the clay one that I just did. As you can tell, I'm kind of wet and my hair got messed up, and yeah, so the clay masks are definitely more difficult to do, but yeah, they're pretty rewarding still. So yeah, and this is more like a gel slime type of thing. You just kind of like want to put it on in like generous layers, obviously, of trying to avoid your hairs, but shit happens. Okay, and as you guys can tell, I definitely avoided my facial hair on this one because it does like to pull things, and I'm not trying to dye. So yeah, we're not putting it down there. But anyways, I hope your guys' like week is going really well, because mine has been so far. I've had really good news from work and my personal life. It's just been like a good moment all around. And now I get to talk to you guys and have wine and do masks, which is like literally my favorite. It's a good vintage. I'm so classy. It's like good vintage. Okay, everyone, I am back, and I think the mask is ready. As you can see, it's peeling up right here. So I'm going to try to pull it off. See if it wants to come off. It's a little early for it, but it's too late. We're already here. You guys, I also got to go see my favorite hippo at Busch Gardens in Orlando. Well, it's in Tampa, actually, but it's close to Orlando. It's in the same area. Anyways, we took pictures together. It was pretty great. We have a long distance relationship. I see her once a year, and we take some pictures and chat about boys and stuff. But yeah, she's doing pretty good. She said her new trainer is kind of a bitch, so kind of hope that she gets a new one. But yeah, beyond that, she's doing pretty good and fresh. So I peeled most of it off. I am gonna go rinse off my face though, you guys. So I can go ahead and put on my night cream so I can show you guys what I use to keep my skin looking ratchet and battered all the time. I'll be right back. Okay, now that that product is all off of my face, I will be using the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 night cream. It's a very affordable night cream and it's worked wonders for me. You don't need that terribly much either, just enough to like get a good layer on your skin. It's a light wear too, so like I've even put it on in the morning. Scandalous, I know. And honestly, it's just so nice. Like, I've had other night creams that have like made me break out and stuff, and this one, like, you can tell, like, when you wake up you're glowing differently. It's not that expensive. I would really encourage you guys to check it out if you can. Honestly, like, if you start your routine when you're younger, the easier it'll be going forward, because you're not going to age as quickly, because your skin is already going to have like all those nutrients like there, and it's like used to the routine. I know that seems like really crazy, but honestly, I'm not taking any chances. And Jeffree Star, Uncle Jeffrey, definitely said that he started using beauty creams when he was my age, so I'm definitely going to be doing that myself, so that way I can avoid surgery in the future, besides the ones that I already need. Okay everyone, I know this was like a kind of a crazy video, but if you enjoyed it, please let me know down below. DM me whatever you want, like the video, subscribe if you're new, or don't, because I can't control you. Do what you want. I do not have a schedule for uploading videos because I am literally the worst, but thank you so much for being here anyway. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.